present to you Tunnelator Bond's private office.
Okay.
Right here. Right here. Pete.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy, and I'm you this guy. Hearing your incessant slathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Thank you.
Okay.
What's up?
Does anyone want to switch with me?
Good try.
Okay, let me what? Girl. Back row, both hands up in the air. Middle row, both hands up in the air. Please roll it up and then pull on the yellow tab on your right hand side. Thank you. Back right row, both hands up in the air. Please roll it up.
I love it.
I just like drawing. On your right hand side. Pull on the yellow tab. Thank you. Please stay clear with sliding feet.
And then after that, I go up and down a little bit.
Alright, there. Keep that bottom tab. Hold on to all the legs on it.
Your ears, Brett.
Dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Right here.
Unplug you and start dangerous.
Yeah!
Let's roll.
Why are you thinking that? It did nothing. We did all the right. We're not helping at all.
Go ahead.
Interesting and look forward to.
Thank you.
The picture's gonna be so good.
Such a great ride. Oh, the kids behind us.